Here's how to scrape any product details in AliExpress with no coding knowledge. First, we'll need the AliExpress scraper from nifty.codes. Link will be in the description. Simply just download it for your browser. Next, press product details. As you can see, we extracted this product details. To extract more, just load another product. And there you go. Do this as many times as you like. Now, to customize the data, press on the settings. Then, go to Customize. In here, you can change the data however you want. So for example, you can uncheck some data. You can also change the order of the data. And also change the name. And also add a criteria to only scrape the products you are looking for. Once you're done, press Save. Now let's head to Stored Data. In here you will find all the data we scraped. You can specify some data to delete or move to export. You can also find more features in the add-ons section. Now, to export this, press Add to Export List. Then, press Export. You can export it in many different ways. I will export it as HTML. After exporting, here is the data we extracted.